Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use text to video on Genmo AI. This is another AI tool that I'm gonna discuss with you, and this is currently the website. And this is the link www.genmo.ai, and this should be the landing page you're seeing also on your end. So a quick reminder, if you're watching this on your MacBook or any Apple devices, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. So if you pay our attention on the left side of the screen, we have videos, animate, they even have their image generation tool, but for now, it is currently not working. I think they're still on maintenance, so for now we're going to focus on videos. It's a new Genmo replay. And that being said, with this one, simply type your prompt. So for example, let me just say a whimsical bunny on a forest. Pretty simple, pretty direct, and with this one, I'm just going to click on submit button. Now right now it's creating 2 videos. It will take around 2 minutes or so. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. Our video has just been finished generating. And right now we have 2 results. The first one is this one. It's auto-playing right now with 4 seconds. And second one is going to be this one. So if you're going to ask me, I think the second one is much more better. It's much more realistic because I never saw a bunny with this color, right? So with this one, if you're satisfied, you can simply click on download with this one. Click that one and it will automatically go to your PC without further ado. You don't even have a payment or any other sort right there. So for example, we want to try another prompt here. Just simply type a prompt here to get another video. But with this one, for example, we going with this one, right? This bunny right here. If you click on this view button, you can make it private or public. It's up to you. You can share it with people, and this is the seed and this is the resolution. Again, this is a button that you can download. And by the way, guys, you can delete it on this version also. So if we go back here, and then let's try another prompt. And by the way, before we try another prompt, you can see this random or suggestions, fantasy, storybook style, action, adventure, missile theme. These are suggestions on this specific video or prompt. It will make another video with this suggestion, so might as well try this one before entering another prompt. So let me just click on this one. As you can see right there, it's another prompt that gave us a result. So click on submit. And basically, we're just going to wait for this one to finish. And I'll get back to you once it's here. So this is going to be our video right now with the specific prompt with the randomized style earlier. If you want to download it, simply click on this button. And before we get into that, I want to try a different prompt right now. So before we try this different prompt, I'm just going to type in a lonely boat along the sea. Pretty simple, pretty generic. Before I click submit there, let me just fix this spacing. And with that, you can simply click on the settings right there before you click submit. You can change the aspect ratio, the duration up to 7 or rather 6 seconds. The motion right there, you can change it. Batch is this is gonna be how many video you're gonna create. So for this, I'm gonna go with 1. Motion, I'm gonna increase it with around 90 right there. And loop, you can put it right there. But for now, I'm not gonna put it in loop. And aspect ratio is on auto. Duration is 4 seconds. I'm good with this one. And simply click on generate for this. And by the way, while we're waiting for the second or rather last prompt we're gonna generate, if you notice this one, this dice right there, this is a random prompt. For example, if you click on this one, it will give you a randomized prompt to use from. As you can see right there are unlimited kinds of prompts here. Wet rabbit in the rain. If you click it again, freshly banana bread with pillow stream. One more time, nuclear fusion particles in a reflective sphere. HD wallpaper. And that being said, if you wanna try this one out, again, click on submit with no payment, just for free. So there is still this option that says upload image. If you wanna upload your own image right there, simply click on it. Now let's look for a sample photo that we got. Let me just look for something here of this one right here. Now, if you notice, it will auto-generate its own prompt upon uploading. So wait for it to finish. Again, as you can see, a dog wearing a Santa hat and a scarf sitting on top of an open book. That is an auto-generated prompt with this image. I did not type this one. So if you further wanna discuss or increase the quality of this photo, simply change the prompt. But I'm gonna stick with this one. Now click on submit, and that specific photo will be animated right now. And this will take around 2 minutes or 3. I'll get back to you once it's here. And right now, this is going to be our prompt with the animated video of the image you just uploaded. And that being said, if you click on this FX button right there, you can still click on a specific presetted template. You have a heartbeat, warble, warp speed, and that being said, these are just effects. But technically, it doesn't really matter because you have settings right here, including the camera motion. So if you click on zoom right there, a specific camera motion, it will be zoom in on your prompt, and even the roll, this is going to be the counterclockwise or clockwise animation. And that being said, this is how you use Genmo, a text-to-image video generation tool. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.